Hi, so in case you did not know, you are no longer limited to buying and selling dollars on Deriv with people from your country. So from today onwards, you'll be able to buy and sell or exchange dollars into your local currency with other people from other countries. So here's how you can actually do it. So if you'd like to do P2P transfers with other people from other countries, here's how you can do it. So the first step you need to do is you can actually click on your currency over here, and you'll be presented with a lot of currencies where Deriv P2P is available. So for example, if you'd like to exchange with people from Zimbabwe, you can actually get to use a Zimbabwean dollar. So if I click here, as you can see, I'm going to see Deriv adverts of P2P with this currency. So for example, when I click over here, this is the advertisers page, and if I click on buy USD, so this person only accepts inbox only. So so the other way you need to make sure is that if you're planning of buying and selling or exchanging currencies on P2P with other people from other countries, make sure that the payment methods you're all using, we can as well use it. So let's try out a different one. Let's try out South African Rand. So for South African Rand, there are currently no ads. So for this one, you can pay via bank transfer, bank transfer, bank transfer, bank transfer, bank transfer. So this is good. So let's check out other countries like Nigeria. I can't see Nigeria here. Here is Nigerian Naira. So I can see bank transfer, bank transfer, bank transfer. Let's check on buy. So on buy as well, I can see bank transfer, bank transfer. So this is it about today's video, showing you that you can actually buy and sell dollars or do P2P transfers with other people from other countries. So if you don't have a Deriv account, create an account with the link in the description. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.